Hello, me, Ambika from Bangalore. Joined this Anandkunj 10 days ago. I have come here as I was suffering with some joint pains, nothing but it's a kind of arthritis. Since I was not interested in taking tablets and all, so I have come here to this naturopathy center. Uh, the first day itself, we have started fasting. It's a actually generally we could do fasting. There are many types of fastings, but here the special thing is it's a Shivambu fasting, a kind of urine therapy it is. Here after coming here, I was just thinking how can I do fasting, because I can do only one day, but here after coming here, looking at the people fasting 7 days, 8 days, 9 days, even more than that also, I was wondered. But once I've started practicing, I could do 7 days fasting. Even after that also I was ready to do, but since as I have to move to my native place, the 8th day I broke my fasting. In the fasting, like very light food, everything, it's really very good. Feeling very light. There are many kind of techniques here, naturopathy techniques, like steam bath, oil massage, mud bath, sand bath, then tying the putties to different areas where and all pains are feeling it. So all the treatments, apart from this, many physiotherapy treatments, acupuncture. So there are like that. There are many other techniques also, yoga practices. One more highlighting is EFT. EFT is actually a new technique for me. It's wonderful. The doctor itself, Dr. Nitil Patil itself, taught us all these techniques in a very simple and understandable language, so which was very interesting. Really, in these 10 days, I was very much happy, forgetting everything, all the responsibilities, in a calm and cool environment. Since this is situated in a hilly area, we have a lot of fresh air around us, which we have not experienced since many years. Since I am staying in a city, in such kind of places, rather than fresh air, a lot of polluted air only we can experience. But here, coming over here, I was just thinking before coming 10 days I have to stay, but I am feeling very sad to leave this place now. Anyhow, it's everything a part and parcel of my life. I'm supposed to move today. So I thought I can I can share my experience with you all. It's not that a person who is with the pains or some ailment to come here. Even the whom we just feeling that there has a healthy person. That healthy person also should come and experience all these things. And if he or she practices these things in their future life, they can be perfect, fit and fine without any problems or diseases. Okay. Really amazing, all the techniques, the environment. So I felt that it's not only me, even my husband has come in the month of December. After his experience only, I thought even I also can experience here, so I came here. Almost the giant pains I was suffering past 1 year, not even a single tablet I took it. I thought I can come over here and somehow I could manage my time and come here. Really, it's wonderful. Thank you. I thank once again Dr. Nitin Patil and Dr. Sarang Patil for this wonderful seva, what they are doing. The amount, one more thing I wanted to tell you, the amount what we pay here, it's nothing. Okay, so it is just when you go to a corporate hospital, we spend lakhs, but finally We don't know that whether we get the result or not, but almost my pains have come down. I can say that almost 60 to 70% have come down. If I continue with this, the instructions what they have given here, I hope I will be successful 100%. So I have that confidence. With that confidence only, I am just leaving this place. Thank you, sir.